Hi everyone. We have two circles that have circumferences that add up to 2 pi. So I should write this as pi. And the areas that add up to 20 pi square centimeters. And we have to find the radius of each circle. So we're going to let x equal the radius of the first circle. And we're going to let y equal the radius of the second circle. And then we're going to set up our equations. So we're going to have, we're adding them up. So it's going to be 2 pi x plus 2 pi, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi x plus 2 pi y, we're looking for our radius, equals of 12 pi. And then it says their areas add up, so remember area equals pi r squared. So we have, our r happens to be x, so we're going to have pi x squared, and the next circle is going to be pi y squared, and that equals 20 pi. So all I did was substitute my x's for my r's here, and then the y for the other one. So there's your two circles. The first one's set up for the circumference, and the second one's set up for the area. Alright, so we're going to solve the first equation for y and substitute it into the second equation. So if we set this one up and set up for y, we get 2 pi y equals 12 pi minus 2 pi x. And you divide by pi, you get y, or we can actually divide by 2 pi, get y equals 6 minus x. I just divide everything by 2 pi. And now I'm going to substitute this into my y right here and solve for x. So we have, first of all, what I can do with this equation here is divide everything out by pi, because that'll make it easier. So you divide everything by pi, all those pi's go away. So we're going to have x squared plus y, which is 6 minus x squared, equals 20. And so you get x squared plus 36 minus 12x plus x squared equals 20. And you clean all that up, you're going to get 2x squared minus 12x plus 16 equals 0. And I can factor out a 2, but in this case, I'm just going to divide everything by 2, and you get x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now, we're going to put it on this side. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. I'm going to factor that, and you get x minus 4 times x minus 2 equals 0. So you get x equals 4, or x equals 2. Now if x is 4, then we get y equals 2. You can substitute it back in. And if we have x equals 2, we get y equals 4. So the radii of the circles are 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Again, all I did on this part was I went back to my original equation and substituted back in my x's to find my y. And that gave me my radius, my radii. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.